Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI A2 Lite, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the battery option. Now let's scroll down a little, and as you can see here we've got the battery percentage, which is right now turned off because we've got only the battery indicator, only the battery icon. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see the exact percentage of the usage of the battery immediately appears right next to the battery icon. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to, but let me leave it like this because it's quite useful. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your XIAOMI A2 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.